Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is my video about how to reseal your granite. It's easy, it's cheap, it's not that expensive, but you need to know that are you resealing or you're doing a first time seal, because this is different. If you do the resealing, it's very easy and it's a different, this is cleaner and resealer. It just 10.99 or 97 from Home Depot. And if you want to do the seal the first time, it's I believe it's like 49.99, so it's expensive. But for the second time, you just need one microfiber cloth and this spray, and that's it. And you can start sealing. Usually they recommend it every year, and yeah, every year actually you have to reseal your granite to make it more durable, because once you start noticing that your water stay over there, or um, they sweeping into the stone, it's mean you need a new seal. So let's start. And when you spray all over the granite surface and then wait for a while and then just wipe with the microfiber cloth. So just start noticing, um, first wipe all the granite and then start spraying all over the top and wait. They said for several minutes, but I will say let's wait for 15, at least 10 minutes, and then start wiping off, and do it really like heavily. Just cover properly. Yeah, like this. And the good thing is, if you do the timer on your oven or something, it will be better, because sometimes you forgot and it's dry, and if it's dry it will be a little grimy or like gloomy feel of this. So uh, if if it's totally dry into this one, then spray again and then just wipe it. So do it like heavily, full, all over the place. And then, yes, and I will wait for 15 minutes and I will put the timer on my oven and then just wipe it off, and let's see, hopefully it will be. And after 10 minutes I start wiping this thing off with microfiber cloth within the circular motion. Oh, looks so nice, so shiny. So wipe it all the granite. Start shining. And look the results. This looks so nice, really pretty. So you can try and leave me in the comments just how it's turned out. share with me your granite picture, your kitchen picture. I love to see that. I really love the granite actually, and I really love this color. So share your picture with me, your comments with me. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any question, ask me. Thank you, thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel.